Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Today we are going to solve a problem on dynamics of fluid flow. In this video we are going to find out what is the discharge in pipe with the help of pitot tube. So first I will read what is the given problem. A pitot static tube placed in center of a 300 mm pipeline has one orifice pointing upstream and other perpendicular to it. The mean velocity in the pipe is 0.80 of the central velocity. Find the discharge through the pipe if pressure difference between two orifices is 60 mm of water. Take the coefficient of pitot tube as a CV is equal to 0.98. So this was the given question. Let us first understand the construction of diagram as per the given data. Now here it is given that this is the pitot static tube and one orifice is pointing upstream and other perpendicular to it. So what is the meaning of that, or what is the structure of that pitot static tube? So we will understand that. So we have to draw here pipe with given diameter, that is 300 mm. Now one orifice is pointing upstream, that means we have to draw here one piezometer and one perpendicular to the stream, that means here we have to draw the pitot tube. Now the pressure difference in between these two orifices is given. So what is the pressure difference? So if we observe, in piezometer static head is getting developed and in the pitot tube stagnation head is getting developed. So we can say that static pressure head and stagnation pressure head, and the difference in between these two is known as the dynamic head, and that is the value of H is given. So we will first understand what is this static head. So here in this piezometer, the level of water from this base point 1 and which is in the level of the stagnation point. So these 2 points we have to select. One point below this piezometer and second point at the entrance of pitot tube, and both points are at same level. So the static head is the distance from the selected point 1 up to the level of water in the piezometer. So this is known as static pressure head or static head. Now here in the pitot tube, from this point 2 to this level of water in the pitot tube, so this height is known as the stagnation head, and the difference in between these two is given, that is H is equal to 60 mm of water. So this stagnation head minus static head is equal to this H, value of H. So this is the diagram as per the given data. Now here the pipe of 300 mm diameter is given. So what is the standard unit? That is meter. So diameter D is equal to 0.30 meter. So what is the area? That is pi by 4 D square, which is equal to 0.07068 meter square. Now here the coefficient of orifice meter is given, or coefficient of pitot tube is given, that is 0.98. So its notation is CV. Now H is also given in millimeter of water. So we have to convert it into meter. So divided by 1000 we have to take, that is 0.06 meter of water. Now here it is also given that the mean velocity is 0.80 times central velocity. So how to calculate the central velocity, or the velocity at the center V? So how to calculate this? So we have one formula, that is CV under root of 2GH. So G means 9.81 and H, that we have to take the standard value. So 0.80 multiplied by 0.98 under root of 2 into 9.81 into 0.06. So which is equal to 0.80 into 1.063, and what is the answer? That is mean velocity 0.8504 meter per second. Now we have to find out what is the discharge in pipe. So we know that discharge, that is Q is equal to area of pipe multiplied by mean velocity. So we have to consider here as a mean velocity V bar. So area of pipe, that is 0.07068 multiplied by 0.8504, which is equal to 0.06 meter cube per second, and this is the answer.